Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to the Polymer Update Daily News Shorts. This is Neeraj Rawal from the Polymer Update Mumbai office. This newsreel is sponsored by Leela Polymers, leading global trading house in polymers and petrochemical products. Crude oil prices climbed on Tuesday, while WTI traded at 54.06, up 66 cents per barrel. Brent finished at $56.66, up 52 cents per barrel. Prices gained after OPEC said it was sticking to its agreement to slash production and hoped compliance going forward would be even stricter. Despite gains in upstream energy values, open spec naphtha prices on Tuesday were assessed lower at $514 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels, a drop of $4 per metric ton from Monday's assessed levels. Propylene prices, meanwhile, were assessed lower at $1,015 per metric ton CFR China levels, a day-on-day fall of $10 per metric ton. Prices slipped as buying trends weakened in the region. Availability of propylene, however, continues to remain constrained in the region. Ethylene prices on Tuesday were assessed steady at $13.85 per metric ton CFR Northeast Asia levels, while in Southeast Asia, prices were assessed at $11.50 per metric ton CFR levels. On Tuesday, benzene prices plunged to the $9.65 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a sharp decline of $30 per metric ton from Monday's assessed levels. The price fall was mainly on account of bearish downstream SM values coupled with strong selling action witnessed in the region. Styrene monomer prices for the second successive day slipped to $1400 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a steep day-on-day fall of $25 per metric ton. Prices fell in line with persistent weak demand in China and a sharp drop in upstream benzene values. Today is Wednesday, a day when the Asian markets eagerly await midweek commodity polymer pricing assessments. The Polymer Update editorial team has forecast a mixed movement in PP rates in Asia. While PP in Far East Asia is expected to decline by $30 per metric ton, in Southeast Asia, where demand remains robust, prices of PP are expected to edge up by $35 per metric ton. Prices of HDPE for Far East Asia are expected to remain steady, while in Southeast Asia, prices of HDPE are expected to climb by $5 to 10 per metric ton. LDPE and LLDPE prices are expected to remain stable in the Far East Asian region. In Southeast Asia, prices of LDPE are likely to gain by $20 per metric ton, while prices of LLDPE are expected to edge up by $10 per metric ton. Prices of PVC for China and Southeast Asia are expected to remain steady. In the domestic markets, talks suggest that PP, PE and PVC prices may be rolled over by local producers today. Polymer Update is South Asia's first petrochemical market intelligence platform. Over the past 17 years, the company has helped create benchmark price assessments for various commodity polymers. Polymer Update's proprietary methodology is widely respected and has built a strong enough credibility to help several thousand industry leaders to make business-critical decisions on a daily basis. Feedback shows that most of Polymer Update's subscribers save large amounts of money while basing their decisions on the intelligence we provide. To get real-time polymer prices and daily news updates, subscribe to Polymer Update today. Thank you.